Hey yo, what up everybody? It's your boy the Dean from DeanExtreme.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a muscle up in 3 easy to follow steps on how to build up your strength so you can be able to do this exercise as well. Let's check it out.
Alright, so first we're going to want to engage our core. So get in this position on the pull-up bar and just try to keep your legs straight so you can engage your core. And after that, just pick yourself up on the hang-up bar. Try to engage the scapular muscles. And after that, you should just try doing the muscle up and it should work. So yeah, that's all there is to it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out DeanExtreme.com for more workouts, more video guides on how to do all these exercises, and also for workout plans for beginners, for intermediates, for advanced sport people. Also, we have workouts for all categories of people. We have workouts for people without any equipment. We've got calisthenics, body weight exercises. Also, exercises for people who do workout and stuff like that. Be sure to check out DeanExtreme.com. We also have a nutrition planner for any type of nutrition. If you want to cut, if you want to be lean, if you want to get ripped, if you want to get jacked, anything, just check out DeanExtreme.com. This is a real website. Definitely not made up for this video. Also be sure to like and subscribe this video. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you enjoyed this kind of video, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment and tell me how you do all your exercises on the pull-up bar and also on the equipment. And yeah, thanks for watching and good night.